Iterations in Python. Explain what are iterations in Python. Iteration in Python refers to the process of looping through the elements of a collection. Collection can be list, tuple, or dictionary, or any iterable object. It is typically done using for loop or while loop. This is simple as in any other programming language. How do you iterate over a list in Python? Now we'll look how it works in Python. You can iterate over a list in Python using a for loop. Example, so I am declaring my list as 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. For each item in the list, in my list, I am printing item. So my output would be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. What is the difference between for and while loop in Python? A for loop is used to iterate over a sequence, that is the sequence can be a list or a tuple or a dictionary or a string, and execute a block of code for each item in the sequence. Okay, first we'll look into for loop. For I in range 5, print I. So here I am giving a range. So for I, that is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, it will print I. This is a for loop which executes a block of code for each item in the range 5. Okay, now we'll look into while loop. While is used to repeat a block of code as long as a specified condition is true. So the for loop is used over a list and it will execute for each item, and here the condition is checked whether it is true or false. Until the condition is true, it will repeat the block. Until the items are over, it will repeat the block in for. Okay, the main difference is the number of items are checked here in the for loop and the condition is checked in the while loop. This is the major difference. So for the while loop is used to repeat a block of code as long as a specified condition is true. So for a while loop, the condition plays a major role. For loop, the range or items plays the major role. How can you iterate over a dictionary in a Python? Now we'll look into how to iterate over a dictionary in Python. There are 3 ways to iterate over a dictionary in Python. We'll look into detail. So we can iterate into dictionary using keys, using values. First one is keys and second one is values, and third one is key value pairs. As we all know that dictionary contains a key value pairs. First I am declaring a dictionary, my dictionary, key value pairs of A1, B2, C3. So first we'll go through iterating over key. So for key in my dictionary, print key. So it will go through the each key in the dictionary. First key would be A, second key would be B, and third key would be C. So my output would be A, B, C. It will return only key values. So second type of iteration is iterating over a dictionary using values. So for value in my dictionary values, print values. Here only the values are printed. Iterating through the key value pair and will print only value. That is, the output is 1, 2, 3. For iterating over key value pairs. So in the third way, I am iterating over both key and value pairs. For key comma value in my dictionary items, I am printing key comma value. So it will print A1, B2, C3. These 3 items will be my output in the key value pair. Iterating over key value pair in a dictionary. So fifth question is, what is a generator in Python? How do you iterate over it? So first, A generator in Python is a special type of iterator that is defined using a function along with the yield statement. So I am defining a generator function which uses yield key statements, okay, in the function. So my generator function needs to use yield keywords. Unlike regular functions that return a single value and terminate, generator yield multiple values. So most of the functions will return a single value and terminate, but generator yields multiple values one at a time, pausing each yield and resuming from where they are left off. We can yield values one by one, pause, we can yield one value, pause for some time, and then resume from where we are left. Okay. So here you can see the example that we are defining a generator function which yields value 1, 2, 3. So I am looping over my function and printing the values. Okay. It will return 1, 2, 3. So what are the benefits of generator? Why am I going for a generator is that it is memory efficient. Generator allow you to generate values on the fly without storing the entire sequence in the memory. This is the major advantage, making them useful for handling large data sets. So generators can be used in case of large data sets without storing the sequence in a memory. Okay. Second advantage is that lazy evaluation, values are produced only when they are needed, not all at once. We have already discussed that we can pause them and resume them where the generator functions have stopped. So values are produced only when we need them, not all at once. Okay, thank you.